Urgent weather message. National Weather Service. Huntsville, AL-112 PM CDT Wednesday, September 11th, 2024. Lauderdale-Colbert-Franklin, AL-Lawrence-Limestone-Madison-Morgan, Mars, Hall, Jackson, DeKalb, Cullman, Moore, Lincoln, Franklin, TN, including the cities of Fort Payne, Albertville, Winchester, Tuscumbia, Guntersville, Decatur, Decherd, Sheffield, Muscle Shoals, Scottsboro, Moulton, Rainsville, Fayetteville, Sewanee, Lynchburg, Boaz, Florence, Town Creek, Athens, Cowan, Huntsville, Arab, Cullman, Red Bay, Russellville, and Estill Springs. 112 p.m. CDT Wednesday, September 11th, 2024. Wind advisory in effect from 7 a.m. Thursday to 7 a.m. CDT Friday. Watt, southeast winds 15 to 25 mph with gusts up to 35 mph expected. Where? North Alabama and portions of southern Middle Tennessee. When? From 7 a.m. Thursday to 7 a.m. CDT Friday. Impacts: gusty winds will blow around unsecured objects. Tree limbs could be blown down and a few power outages may result. Precautionary preparedness actions. Winds this strong can make driving difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Use extra caution. And